Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another dash camera related video. Today we're going to have a look at a Phillips dash camera. Today I'm doing a quick review of the Phillips ADR620 dash camera. Here it is, that is the box. The camera is already out of the box and this is my daughter's dash camera that she's put into her car, and she actually got this given for free from work, which is really good actually because they sell for around the $200 mark on eBay. Now I did check the Philips website and it says they no longer make these, but you can still buy these on eBay and Amazon and probably other places as well. Now the recording quality on this is 1080 full HD and it's got a 120-degree recording angle. Now it comes in the box with the camera, the mount that sticks to the windscreen, the cable that goes down to your cigarette lighter adapter, and a cigarette lighter adapter that you plug into your cigarette lighter, or your accessory port as they like to call them these days. And it's ready to go. Now I believe it does have some internal memory, and I also believe it's got a small built-in backup battery. Now you also have to buy a micro SD card to put into this camera, and it takes a 32 gigabyte one. Now we did try a bigger card and it will not work with a bigger card. It wouldn't work, it wouldn't write to it for some reason. So we ended up going out and buying a 32 gigabyte card, put it in, and it worked straight away. And I will be showing you some footage of what this recording quality is like very shortly. Now my daughter's had this in the car for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and the way it works, you turn the ignition of the car on and it starts recording automatically. You park the car and turn it off, and I think it records for a very short while till the internal battery runs out, and then it just shuts off. And then once you jump back in the car and start it, it starts recording. So once you've plugged it in and set it up, it just works. You don't have to worry about switching it on and turning it off and all that sort of stuff, which is pretty much what you want. So let's go and have a look at the actual dash camera in the car, and then we'll have a look at the video quality, which I think is pretty good for what it is. It is not the best, and if you do end up getting into an accident or something happens, it will record what goes on, and you'll be able to clearly see what happened. Okay, so you've got a setting there for video length, and you can set the recording schedule for 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. So what it does, it records a 1 minute block and then it starts a new recording. And this one we've got it set at 5 minutes. So it records the 5 minute long video and then it starts a new recording. So you can see up the top right hand corner there, it's recording now, but we will be taking it for a drive and actually showing you the video that it does record to see what the quality is like. It says 1080/30. Now, if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.